So Matt, today we are going to do a puzzle activity and name the bird that you will see in the picture, okay? So you are going to put the pieces of puzzle together according to numbers 1 to 5. Then you are going to tell me the name of the bird that you will see on the puzzle, okay? Do you understand? So are you ready to start? What? I can't hear you.
Yes.
Very good. So now, can you see this? Can you see this?
Yes. Ate, what happened to the penguin?
Huh?
What happened to him?
You're going to put the pieces together and then
To make
you
it
will guess the animal, okay? So what will you put first? You have to find number what? What number is that?
1.
1. What comes after number 1?
Is star number 2.
2. Can you get number 2?
This one.
Put it here.
2.
There.
Like
Yes.
this. Like this.
Yes po. What comes after number 2?
This is number
Number what?
3.
Number 3. Can you put it there? Oops, it's upside down. Rotate it. Rotate it, baby. Look, number 3 is upside down. You have to put them like in here. Like this. You have to rotate it like that. There. So can you count it?
1, 2, 3.
What comes after number 3?
4.
4. Very good. Can you put it together with number 1, 2, 3?
4.
So, can you count it again?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Very good. What comes after number 4?
5.
5. Can you put it there? So, what animal can you see? What bird is this? It's a
Penguin.
penguin.
Eat fish.
He eat fish. Where did the penguin live?
In the snow.
In the snow or in the ice? Can penguin fly?
No.
No. Very good. So, what animal is this again?
A penguin.
Can you count the pieces?
4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Very good. Up here. We have 3 more puzzles. So, now I'm going to get this. Can you arrange it?
Yes. But
Can you arrange it? What comes first?
this one.
What comes first? Can you see the numbers below them? What will you put first?
The wing.
You have to find number. You have to find number what?
1.
1. Can you find number 1? Where is it? There. Now, you have to put it here. There. Yes po. What comes after number 1? It should be number what?
2.
Number 2. Can you get number 2?
I don't know.
There. Very good.
What's missing?
What comes after number 2?
3.
Number
3.
3. Can you put it there?
1, 2.
Here. Put it here. There. Very good. What comes after number 3? It's number...
5.
It's number
4.
4. Very good. Can you put it here? Can you count it? Can you count it, baby?
1, 2,
Starting from here.
1, 2, 3, 4,
What comes after number 4?
5.
5. Can you put it there?
4,
Here.
2,
There. Can you count it?
1, 2,
From here. Starting from here. Look at the numbers. Count the numbers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And what bird is this?
Parrot.
It's a
Parrot.
parrot. What is the color of the parrot?
Red. blue, and yellow.
Very good. Do parrot fly?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
No, not penguin. Penguin is not flying.
Yes.
His name in the snow.
He lives in the snow. How about this one? Can you build this? Can you put them together? What number should come first? It should be number... What number is that? 1. Can you put it here? There. What comes after number 1? What comes after number 1? Can you count? Can you see the numbers below the picture? What comes after number 1? It should be number... What number is that? 2. Can you put it beside the number 1? There. Very good. What comes after number 2? What number is that? It's number? Can you put it beside number 2? So, can you count it?
1, 2,
Look at the number below. Count
1,
it.
4, 2,
What comes after number 3?
5,
What comes after number 3?
4.
4. Very good. Can you put it beside number 3? Here, baby, beside number 3. There. Can you see the numbers? Can you count?
5,
What comes after number 3?
4.
4. Very good. Can you put it beside number 3? Here, baby, beside number 3. There. Can you see the numbers? Can you count it? Starting from 1?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What comes after number 4?
5.
5. Can you put them beside number 4? There. So, what animal is this?
A peacock.
A peacock. What is the color of the peacock? Its color?
Yellow, blue, and green.
Green. Very good. Can you count it starting from 1?
1,
Is it number 1?
2,
Count it starting from number 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. And this is? What animal is this again?
Peacock.
Very good.
Alam ko na yung animal.
We have one more puzzle.
Madami.
Last one. Yes po.
Oh, what happened to him? You cut it.
Yes, because you're going to put them together to make the animal. What number will you choose first? What should comes first? It should be number
1.
1. Where is number 1? There. Can you put it here? There. What comes after number 1? Can you get it? What number is that?
2.
What comes after number 2?
4.
Can you count it? What comes after number 2 first? Count it first.
1, 2.
Count 1 to 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So what comes after number 2? It's number...
4, 5.
Count it, baby.
1, 2, 3.
What comes after number 2? It's number what? 3. Can you get number 3?
Kita.
What number is that? It's number
2,
1,
2, 3.
3. What comes after number 3?
4.
4. Can you put it below number 3? There. So that is... Can you count it again? Starting from 1?
1, 2, 3, 4.
What comes after number 4?
5.
5. Can you put them together?
Hey. Okay.
Wow. Can you count it?
One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. 1. Hey. Let's run. Let's just do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
And what animal is this? It's an...
Oh.
Oh, very good. What is the color of the wood?
But
And...
black, white, and brown.
brown. Very good. What animal is this again?
Oh.
Oh, very good. So we have what? We have penguin.
Baby.
Oh,
Oh.
peacock,
Because.
and parrot.
Carrot.
Today, baby, you were able to put together pieces of puzzle to see a picture of the bird. So again, let's name the different kinds of bird that we have here. What are those again? We have and pa. Again, what is that? Up here. Good job.